Who says tiramisu is hard? Here's how to make it the easy way. Start with some freshly brewed coffee. Add in some sugar, a splash of rum and stir it all together. Next, grab your Dlecta mascarpone. This is what makes it extra creamy. Dump it into a bowl, add some sugar and vanilla and beat it till it's smooth. In a glass, make a layer of the mascarpone cream. Dip the ladyfingers in that coffee mix. Don't soak them, just a quick dip. Layer the ladyfingers over the mascarpone cream. Now add the final layer of mascarpone cream on top. Dust with cocoa powder for that perfect finish. Tiramisu isn't tiramisu without this. Let it chill for a couple of hours and then dig in. It's as easy as that.